I guess a question, something that we talk about a lot whenever we catch up on the phone is the topic of AI, because it is really in the air and it's everywhere. Everyone's talking about it. It feels like every vendor is putting AI and agentic AI in their headline. Every company we talk to asks us even about our AI roadmap. I want to get just at a high level, like what's your pulse on what's happening right now in AI and agentic AI, good, bad, ugly? And then I would like to talk about next is what are the areas of procurement tech that you think will be most and least affected by the changes that are happening in AI? Some things will be probably untouched and some will be completely automated. So I'd love to get your take on, let's start with what's going on in the space right now. What are you seeing?
Yeah, well, I mean, unless you've been living under a rock, obviously, well, I think 99% of people understand, kind of that this is a pretty big deal. Certainly there's going to be people who are like, oh, this is another hype cycle. And there is, trust me, the hype is obviously in the stratosphere, right? But this isn't like blockchain, where you're like, oh, it's all about blockchain. And you're looking at it and you're like, it's a freaking transaction registry, that's, it's a great one. And, how's this game changing? And yeah, I think AI is fundamentally a sea change, especially now with LLMs and agentic kind of coming into the theme. But to me, it's not, to me, like AI is not the center. To me, AI is like the Energizer bunny that is everywhere. It is fundamentally changing everything about enterprise architectures and digital, from the data modeling to process management and orchestration to application development to
Yeah.
intelligence to right. All of these elements are getting impacted by AI, and obviously, with LLMs and just really it's gotten the hold of everybody as to demonstrating the power of what it can do in certain use cases. Yeah. But do you want to take that LLM brain and like drive it into all these little agents, try to do that for all different processes that are needed? But obviously it's massive and it's important, but it's a big topic and there's a lot in there.
Mhm. No, it's true. I mean, and anyone who says that they know all the answers it doesn't, because it changes every 3 months.